Okay. Wait, I'm going to draft a storyboard. I'm drafting a storyboard transition. Okay, approve. What's this? I got in really late on this order, but I'm just doing it as an exercise. Because you got to be able to get into stuff while it's looks like it's at the top. Probably going to hit this previous week low and go back down right here. This area, previous week low. We'll see. Or we lose $88. I think we should at least go up and touch that previous week low. We'll see.
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall.
13th, and 13th.
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall.
Not bad.
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall.
Okay.
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall. Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American.
13th. Wow.
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th. Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall.
Dude.
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall.
Sorry, I'm trying to put together this AI video.
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th.
Come on, bro. Do it again. Enthusiastic. Just a tip. Just a tip. Come on, you can do it, man. Oh. Profit taken. Feels good, feels good. I'm rich, $64. Should we sell it? We'll wait for confirmation. We'll sell one just for fun. Basically just flipping it. No. We're gonna lose 64 now. That's why I wait for confirmation. I gotta stop showing off, man. Shit costs money. thing went way past my price, didn't it? So are we going all the way up to here? Shit. All the way up to this. Would be right around 29,279. Damn, I don't want to be in arrears that long though. All right, I'm gonna take the haircut and wait for confirmation. A little fade.
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall.
Wait, what? Which one was that? What was this one?
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall.
Wait, do it again?
Join us at the Great American September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall. Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo.
Okay. Man, we're still going up. Damn, this thing's going up. I should buy it again just to be weird. Damn, the thing's going up. Nice move, man. I don't really need smart money. Oops. Make this smaller. should get my printer out of the screen there, huh? What printer? I'll leave it in there. This thing's kind of getting past it. Doing pretty good. What's up, bro? I don't know if we're gonna continue up now. 'Continue up, we're going to like 29, 276.50. But we might coil here now for a while. Eight minutes till 11. See what happens. Maybe we'll like wick out up here. Get a little volume. Go. It is teetering a little bit here. I think I'm going to wait for another candle just for confirmation. Since we're right at the hour, I'll have a little discretion. I'm want to short it, but I'm not too sure because it went slightly above my level that I thought it was going to go to. So I thought it was going to go to here. Wait, did it not go? I thought it was going to go to there because the 4 hour has a really good wick right there, and it's gone above. So now I mean, obviously it's not really peeking out too far above this for it to become support yet, really. Wait for 11 o'clock to hit and see what happens. We might be just coiling down a little bit to continue upwards to like this 276 range, but I feel like just like we already had a little dump here, we are going to dump continue to dump down at least to the 29,020 range. Like, where are we at? 29,20. So like this area here. This will be like a green. This will be a red. This level's invalidated. So there's our two levels here. We a bounce. We're seeing obviously the buys are starting to slow down, but not really. So we could continue up. I don't want to short it right now. So we'll do this for a minute. We'll pop up here and then we'll short it possibly. Probably in the next 15 minutes. We'll have to take a look at it, see what happens. We'll keep watching. Moves latitude park. Compress. Transcripts. to 11. See what happens. See what the 1 hour looks like, the hourly. We're definitely closing in 18 seconds with a nice gap here on the 1 hour. So we might have a little continuation. So that kind of proves we're gonna have a little continuation to the upside possibly, unless it just immediately retests down to 146, which that would be a good move, right? It'd be like a 100-point move. 11 o'clock. Let's go back to the Cinco. So we're gonna pop up first maybe on the 1 hour. That thing is not moving. Probably should have volume, but what's the point? This market's been a fake out market for the last 24 hours. Should we treat every hour like the Eastern Open and do the 5-minute? What is it? Orb? Or, yeah. Open range breakout strategy. I mean, the higher time frame showing me it should have either bounced and went short here, or it's gonna do it up here. And it already broke this, so my assumption is there will be a continuation up to here, and then it will go down. So I'm sitting out for a second and just waiting for this thing to move, because right now it's in perfect harmony with itself. we're going up. Maybe. These candles, man.
This is the Great American Franchise Expo. It's May 16th and 17th from 11 to 5 p.m. Saturday and 11 to 4 on Sunday at the Cobb Galleria.
It's going up, but it's trying to do it in secret. It's going up in secret. It's just tiptoeing. Small break, small retest, small break, small retest, small break, small retest. Pretty soon you look at it and you're like, oh shit, I could have made like $1,000. Man, this might do this for 2 hours and just get all the way up to here. Or could do it in the next 15 minutes, hopefully. At least in the next 2 hours and 52 minutes. Because that will be the close of the 4 hour at 2 a.m. Doesn't have to happen then though. It could happen at 1 a.m. Got a little retest. Candle. Do the orb strategy on every 5-minute candle. Wait for a breakout. We'll do an orb every 5 minutes. This is watching paint dry right here. Should I widen this out a little bit? Oh wait. Cut that off. is it coming back down? Mm. I'm probably wrong, but I'm thinking it's gonna hit up here and then we'll go lower. Well, possibly to here, but I don't know. It could bounce there, but I don't know for how long it's gonna bounce. You know, back up to this level. So it'll go like that, and then. Let me redraw that. Bam. 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 Probably didn't get those angles right. This action is impossible. Oh, wait a second. No. Okay. Design copy, make it a template for brand consistency. Proceed to publish. F, N, Y, and J.
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall.
Whoa. N, Y, and J. molasses market. It's going up, but the long-term trend over the next 24 hours is probably going to be sub where we're at now. I do not see this market going up right now. News, broad equity weakness, pressure in NASDAQ chip stocks. 4-hour trend remains down and strong while the 1-hour trend is up but lacks strength trend. This is my AI telling me this shit. 4-hour trend remains down and strong while the 1-hour trend is down. But weak. It said up, but it rechecked it. It's neutral actually. The session is okay, bro. The session is a compression day. Prices recovered above L8 and is now resting L7 after a 7-bar push. L7 rejected price from below 2 15-minute bars ago. L8 is the immediate reclaim support. What is L8? Prior week low, 29,202. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, 29. Why does it say 29,202? Oh, okay, prior week low, got it. 29,202. Oh yeah, and that's where I thought, that's kind of right where I thought I was gonna short, and then it started going long, so I got out at like a $13 loss. 4-hour trend is strongly down. Okay, the Dest recent sell record around the current area is a mix to poor with several stop first outcomes. L6. Key levels. 276 prior day close, yeah. And that's exactly where I possibly short, is at the prior day close. That's L6. Today's high was 29,310. GDP release and PCE inflation are due in 554 minutes. Wow, that's a weird way to tell me that. PCE inflation is Wednesday at 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. We have GDP release and PCE inflation, personal income and outlays. Tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern Time, U.S. The headline cites a NASDAQ decline as chip stocks sank on an OpenAI report that keeps the broader risk tone aligned with the 4-hour downtrend, but the chart still needs to fall at L7 or lose L8 to confirm it. So L7, oops. Yeah, so that's the 1-hour swing level. So L7 that it's coming up to, so L7 is 29,233.25. Which I'm thinking, I mean, that's, yeah, it would be a change. If it gets up above this, it would be in kind of like a little bit of an upswing, but I think it will turn around at the prior day close, which is 29,276, or today's high, which was 29,310. So we don't have much more up to go. The highest we're going to go is 70 points higher. That would be as high as we're going to go. But I would think 29,276 is a good bounce. That's why I possibly short there. Or a good, short bounce, whatever. It's sneaking up there, though. That last candle was definitely a higher low. I think it's just going to coil, and then maybe it'll just wick out up to the 29,276, but that could take, until winter, as slow as these Kindles are printing. Shit's crazy. Oops, I'm drawing. Still very bearish, but just coming back up and rebalancing the books. Kind of looks like a dude with a beard. He's got some he got some earrings. Like a little cross earring here, like dangling off. Gotta put the little camera in there. Oh, draw me. Draw my circle. That is a shitty circle. This market is dead. can't do an orb at 11. I'll be sitting here for 10 years. Dude look kind of Asian. He's got little arms with like fingers coming out. Hey guys. Got little baby arms with like crazy fingers. And Freddy Krueger. Oh wait, his hands are up here. We gotta like, they come out of his beard. He's got like shorts. He's got those short shorts. This is a really soft downward trend here. I have a feeling we're gonna go up. We'll see. I was thinking this would go up, down, up maybe around to here. We'll see. I don't know, we might have our breakout here down. Shit, maybe we go like all the way up here. That'd be a strong one. It's either here or here. It's funny, it makes sense here too, like, because it would bounce off this then. And it makes sense here too. But I think it would coil here too a little bit, obviously. doing? What are we doing? What was that? This shit, I do not trust it. Why do I feel like it's gonna rally again for a second? I just made that shit up. What are these? Oh, hell yeah. I guess it's not really under the water, is it? I guess technically the water's like here right now. It's high tide. This is the slowest little like loop cup reversal. I really think if you're in the US and you're Eastern time, you have to stay up. You basically can't sleep if you want to make money. I make the most money when I get zero sleep trading. Just need to move to Dubai or something. It was an orb fake out. It was an orb fake out. 11 p.m. orb fake out. Coming up to the top. I think this was our 11 o'clock candle. Oh, there it is. Well, we did go above the level, so you could technically say we broke through a level there at 233. We're through a level. So I think if it closes above 233, we're going to see a little bit more of an uptrend. Ooh, look at that. That's terrible. Just taking out stop losses of shorts. You see it like crunch. Crunch those stop losses. And that's how I feel like it's going to hit this too. It's just going to tap it for 5 seconds and then it's going to be down here in like a second. There it is. There's our breakout. Are we going to get an official orb retest? 11 p.m. orb retest. We just got to do the orb every hour. 24 times a day. Well, 3 times a day. This orb took an hour to even get out. Look at that. That's nice. Let's see if we get a proper retest. Oh, it looks like we're retesting within the candle. Getting a 1 minute retest. That looks fun. You back?
Yep.
Cool, man. Did you win?
Kylie got really fucking good.
Did she? She whipped your ass.
Dude, every single 8-ball one, it was like side of the table to the end of the table to the side of the table and then into the pocket that she called.
Damn.
It was like the entire like triangle.
She's been taking geometry classes.
I beat her like 2 times.
Yeah.
She beat me like 4 times.
That's cool. Yeah, I'm probably going hitting it soon. I'm just hitting it. I was trying to wait for this level to get hit, but it's been a really slow hour. Slow hour.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going upstairs.
Alright, give me a hook.
Alright, man, I love you. Love you too.
Alright, good night.
Good night. You want me to close your door?
Set your alarm, broski.
You want me to close your door?
Yeah, you can. Nick. All right. I'll put an alarm on this. Crossing. Create. Might as well throw one down here too.
Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall. Join us at the Great American Franchise Expo, September 12th and 13th at the American Dream Mall.
Girl's so boring. Publish brand template. Dude, I'm not trying to publish a template, man. Proper slow drip. Retest. Like I want to buy. Oh, was that our retest? I don't know. Everything says that this thing is going down, but I just have a feeling it's going to continue up because it's above this level now. We're at 234, hovering around there. Yeah. Anything 233 and above is pretty upward right now, so. $40 to candle close. 40 seconds to candle close, and thinking that the next candle is going to be a green candle because we did our little 11 p.m. orb and it broke out. Now we're having a retest, and we're just treating it like the 9:30 session in the US. Didn't come down and touch it, but oh yeah, there it goes. Let's see. 2, 1. Uh-oh. Got it. Yeah, we got our green candle. Would any of you guys buy right now? Like, would you just buy a contract and take the loss? A micro and make $5 or lose $5? Or lose $34? Rolling in my 6. Oh. Oh, there we go. We're rich. We're rich. man, don't give me all that money. I'm gonna start thinking about how I can spend it. That's like a Uber Eats fee and the tip without actually paying for the food right there. If you can't buy it at the top and sell it at the bottom, then you're soft. Soft. Yeah, our orb worked for 11 p.m. even though it took 40 minutes for it to have a break and then a retest. Why can't you just do the orb every hour? You know what I'm saying? Top of the hour on the 5 minute, do the 5 minute orb. It worked this time. Then you get 23 shots at it every single day. Everybody's like 9:30 a.m. That's all you need to do, and then you can trade for 5 minutes. Why? Do the orb every hour, man. Or well, I guess you might still be in the trade, so. We're in like no man's land right now. Still got a little bit. What if we just hit that and then we go back down? No, I'm putting it up. Just a little under there. Six, 7. I know, man. Right? Should have like 100 minis right now in this. We'd be at like 46,000 or something. Problem is when I lost $300 like an hour ago or a couple hours ago, like I made a trade and then went to dinner, and like while I was at dinner it was like stop loss hit. I was like, fuck, man. My 100 minis would have been 300 grand or something. Yeah, I like don't ever just look at your chart real quick when you haven't looked at it in the last hour and just like make a trade based on one thing. You have to sit down and like zoom out, go to all the time candle times, and like really check yourself, because that stupid shit when you're up is just gambling. So this possibly a short is the what is it again? Let me go to my info chart. It is the prior day close. 29,276. Today's high was 29,310. So price always comes back. Oh, I took it. So this is where I was thinking it was gonna bounce, but I don't know. Took a short. Always be thinking about the next trade. Trade you're in's already done. You're locked in, bro. You're married. You married that bitch. So it's either coming down now or we're going up to, well, I'm looking at this trend line, but we could go. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get past this little triple crown here. Was that last night? Yeah. Wait. That was this morning. Didn't we have something similar? Maybe it was like down here or something. There's triple crowns everywhere. TP. Wow, all that distance and only $300. Man, one contract is. Like 5 seconds left on this candle. Let's see what happens. If it comes back up to my price, I'm just going to bed. It's gonna wick out. We'll see. Well, I'm in it, so see what happens. Yeah, buddy. What are you doing? Oh wow, look at you. Yeah, but yeah, you might be rambunctious, but you can't make it up here, can you? See what you got. Lifting weights. Wish I was a little bit taller, y'all. 3 minutes. We'll see if this thing can. Nah, sorry, buddy. Put it down. Halfway through the bar. I mean, the way this thing is jumping, it could just shoot up. This thing is bouncing. All these people are trying to save their ass. Let's see what happens. What do we got? 125. The Bulls got a minute left. Buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it. Keep buying it. That way you got to get out of your position and you make it drop faster. Hit those stop losses on the way down. I love talking so much shit that I'm going to get smoked. My $7 profit. Telling you, the death rattle of these 5-minute candles though, like 10 seconds before it like shoots up 2 grid squares. Well, this also isn't a strong move down, so I'm not really partial to anything, whether it's bullish or bearish right now. I'm just in it. We are in oversold or overbought territory. Obviously, yeah. The bullish momentum is slowing, so I feel like it's a good place to put in a short. Plus, that's where I have the fucking line that says possibly a short, so if I can't even follow my own guide. All right, we're up. That took a while. That took a while. This one bar took an hour to print, even though it's only 5 minutes. We had to wait through this whole thing. Crazy. All right. One thing I've realized in streaming is that, man, I sniff all the time. I'm not a cokehead either. Just, I think it's like allergies. We're making more C attached. Alright, we got that one done. Alright, when did this start? Is it 21? 23, so this is 2 hours. Let's see if what I'm looking at is right. We got 2 hours left on our 4 hour. 2 hours left on our 4 hour. I doubt we're breaking through. We're still in a strong downward trend, even though it's a nice big green candle here. 4 hour candle. Like here. So this is a nice big 4 hour. It could come up to here, which would be 29,353. It could in the next 2 hours. Who knows? So we could get snuffed. But what is that? Oh. Oh, did it cross? Man, this shit's getting bullish now. Chill out, bud. Don't get too bullish. Fucking relax, man. Okay. We're gonna delete that notification. That's why I write possibly a short. Could be wrong. Could go all the way up and test this. Well, it's midnight. So should we do our breakout candle? Alright. Whoa. Okay, so anyways, possibly short, great. Yeah, remove. So we'll do our orb on this too. We'll do high and low of our midnight candle. And we'll see if we get an orb strategy. I just want to do the orb strategy on every single hour of the day and just see if it works. Like, this is an indicator for 24/7. You know, because technically you could easily write an algorithm around that, a bot around that. Wait until the candle closes, wait until it retests, close candle, did it retest, go long, go short. I mean, that's such an easy. So this is my 11 p.m. orb strategy that worked. Dude. You get like, this is like a skull, bro. I don't know how you draw a skull, man. It just looks like eyes. Maybe you just draw like the top. And then you do like a little, no, it doesn't work. Fangs. That's my pumpkin. Dude, this shit really is not going down, is it? Oh shit, are we gonna have an orb to the top? We are going up still. We are going up. Let me look. Let me look. Bearish lean. Yeah, okay, man. Neutral. 4 hour trend remains down and strong. 1 hour trend is down but weak. The day is compressed. Prices rebounded from the session low and is holding above the reclaimed 1 hour daily supports, but is now pressing into the prior day close barrier at 29,276. Correct. Which is like a very decisive area. right? Every area is a coin flip. It's not a guaranteed bounce. It's a coin flip. It's like, hey, it could go down, back down here. It could go up here, but you don't fucking know. It's 50-50. It is 50-50. Every single one of these areas is 50-50. It's 50-50. I mean, shit, you could just buy it and sell it anywhere. It's 50-50. Four-hour trend is down. Price in the upper part of today's range and approaching L7 after a 2-hour bar push. L8, L10 were broken upward on normal volume and now act as a pullback support. Pullback support. L8 and L10. So they're saying 29,233. And 29,160 are pullback support. I don't know. You know, when I'm short, I hate the word support. I just want to hear resistance. This shit's going down. It's going down. It's going down. What's up, Blunt? Sergeant Blunt Ops? Is this going up or down? We're doing an orb every hour to see. Like I did the orbit, the 11, or 11 East, and got in because it broke upward. I mean, I'm in it anyways, but I'm gonna check the orb. If the orb tells me the short is bad, I'll get out. I'm just gonna use the orb. Orb strategy. See what happens. Yeah, doing good. Why are these little candle bodies looking like an upward trend? I gotta take a picture of all these little things and put them on my wall. Like, this is an upward trend, even though it's not. We were just here. I don't know if we're gonna go back down unless we're going past it. But we might have to go up more first to go past it. You know, the vibration needs to get bigger. Can't get smaller. In order for it to, I don't know, I could be wrong, but in order for it to go down below here, I feel like it has to go above this, so I don't know. Who knows? I don't really have that down yet. I think it just goes wherever the hell it wants to go. Although we do have GDP release and PC inflation at 8:30 a.m. Eastern today because it's midnight here. So markets might be a little weird, I don't know. I'd say people are more scared than they are bullish. Yeah, I just went long after this last coil. I went long, and then right when it hit here, I took profit and then went short immediately. Like just because I'm only playing around with one contract, so no big deal. I'm just curious what this breakout is. These breakouts take forever, but I'm curious if I can do the orb strategy every hour of the day. Definitely aren't going to make 3R on everything though. If you're redoing it every hour, I guess you could just keep the positions, trade different contracts. Have you ever hedged like a further out contract against like the current contract? This never worked out for me actually. Wow, this is really going nowhere again. And we are just stuck. Gotta have that breakout candle. Last time I think it took 40 minutes. We we were at 11 and nothing broke out until 11:40, and we broke out long, obviously. Silver. Hmm. Silver had a good day today. The dollar's getting expensive. It's coming back up. Was that 2:50 a.m. yesterday? Wait, 2097. It's weird. I don't know. We might have to go up a little bit more. We'll see. I don't know. It doesn't really look like bounce territory. If it's gonna bounce up, probably gonna bounce. Who knows? Does seem like we're going up though. Every little. Can't go up forever. All right, I think I'm gonna let this sit here. I'm gonna sign off so I can get some sleep. See you guys tomorrow.